Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the clean function inside of Microsoft Excel. So the way this function works is pretty simple, and what exactly this function do, it will remove all non-printable characters from your text. So for the purpose of this video I have created a text right here with two non-printable characters. So those non-printable characters are right here on the cell B1 and B2. So the non-printable characters will be char 5 and char 8. So if you guys remember the function char, what it does, it will give you a the letter or the number or simply the element associated with the code of that element. And some of that elements, some of the not code generated, but some of the elements generated by the char function will be non-printable characters, which for example are char 5 and char 8. So just like that, what I have written right here, I have written a function that will show me the element that is on the cell B2. Then it will say hello world, and then it will show me the element that is at the cell B1. So if for example here instead of char 5 I change it to 40, it will be this element right here. So if we bring it back to 5. Now, as you can see, those two elements are non-printable characters. And let's say I have a text with non-printable characters and I want to take them off. How exactly can I proceed? So pretty simple, this is when we are going to use the clean function. So when we're using the clean function, what's going to happen is that we are going to take away the non-printable characters. So let's start. We'll write down our equal sign at first, and then we can write down clean. And once we have wrote down clean, we can select the cell in which we have our text. So here we have the text that says hello world, and we can close our parentheses. And just like that, as you can see, we are going to have our cell that says hello. Well, it's not world, it's world. We'll just correct it. There we go. So it says hello world. And just like that, we are going to have a cell without any non-printable character that says hello world or that says the content of my text that I have written right here. So this is how you use the clean function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you liked my video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.